Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nubia Flip and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find password and security. Then let's tap on the fingerprint. Before we will set the fingerprint, we have to set screen lock. So the pattern pin or password, it's totally up to you. Basically, it is required because if the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with a regular screen lock. So let me choose the pattern, let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. And here, finally, we've got this fingerprint management option. So let's tap on register, and your device will show you the instructions what to do. So all we have to do is to place our finger on the fingerprint sensor, which is located on the power button on the right device, on the right side of our device. So let me do it. Let me put my finger on it, and right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. Try to catch every part of it for better recognition. And as you can see, it is a little bit stubborn because it does not really catch what I'm doing. Okay, so now the edges. Perfect. I wouldn't say this is the best fingerprint sensor in my whole career. Okay, finally. Okay, I just got it. Alright, again. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on OK. And here we've got our fingerprint management, so this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, up to you. You can add another fingerprint. Here you've got the functions, so you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. So for unlocking the device, here we've got the unlocking method, so touch the power button or press the power button, and to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned on. You can manage also the access and control apps, access private space, and simple touch. Alright, so now let's try to lock it and unlock it. So let me lock the device, and now let me put my finger on the sensor. Okay, as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.